Hey everyone, it's time for a new profile picture here on Tiffany Inc. So let's get right into it so I can show you how it's done. This profile picture is doing the job. I kind of want something that's just, I don't know, this one seems a little bit formal. This one seems a little bit friendlier. I want to keep the branding consistent, so I'm going to use this picture again, and I'm also going to give it a background that matches this color exactly. To change this profile picture, I can either hover over this to edit profile picture, or I can go into customize channel and I'll just show you how that looks. In channel customization, you click branding and there you are. So now I want to change my profile picture. I'll click change and then I've got a photo here ready to go. Now this should fit under 4 megabytes, which is their maximum. So let's hope that it does. Look at that. And even though my photo's kind of janky here, I knew that I would be dealing with this circle and that would actually make me be a-okay. So I'll just move this around a little bit so I don't have too much headroom, and it looks good. Voila! Simple, easy as that. I'm gonna click publish and there we go. It's already changed over here. Let's view the channel on YouTube. There, easy peasy. Oh, I am so close to branding nirvana. If you got value out of this video, give it a like and consider subscribing, and check out these videos if you want more tips on how to organize your YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video.